Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'm going to be opening the July Geek Gear Wizardry subscription box. This is of course the Hufflepuff edition. Last time I failed at pulling this tab right here, which is supposed to be very satisfying. So let's see if I can do it right this time. Oh yeah. All right. So we'll open it up and okay. So first thing I see is an ad. They want me to subscribe to the special edition, which I would love to, and I actually may do that. Of course, we've got the yellow tissue paper in here. I don't want to see, so I'm just going to reach in and grab something. It feels like a t-shirt. Yes, it's a t-shirt, and it's black this time. I like darker shirts. Last time it was a purple shirt, which is okay for some people, but really not my thing. Okay, I love this t-shirt, and I will definitely be wearing it. This is Hagrid riding his motorcycle in front of the moon, and it's kind of like parodying E.T. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's like the coolest Harry Potter shirt that I have, I think. Okay, so we'll keep going. So far, I'm very happy. The next thing we have in here is this a bag? Oh, cool, yeah. It is a canvas bag that says Wizarding School on it, and I use canvas bags all the time, like when I go grocery shopping and stuff. I never use plastic bags. So this will get a lot of very good use. I love this. Oh wow, so far it's just like everything's really cool. So, okay, I just felt something in there. I'm gonna save that for a little later because I think I know what it is, and if it's what I think it is, I'm very excited. So here, let's do this. It is a little Hogwarts Express. I wonder if it actually says Hogwarts Express on it, because as you can see, it says Magical Steam Engine right here. So let's open this up and see. Okay, yeah, so this is just a little red train. It does not actually say Hogwarts Express anywhere on it, but it's still pretty cool. Although on the back of the box it does say this Gleaming Scarlet engine plays a major role in the world of witches and wizards. It takes them from King's Cross Station to the famous Wizard Village. So they don't actually use any actual, like, you know, names of real places or things within the wizarding world. It's sort of like generically worded, and that's obviously because they don't want to pay to license this. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Okay. My first thought is soap, but I'm probably wrong. Oh, no, I am totally right. This is Butterscotch soap. This is Butterscotch soap. And it's just sort of wrapped in this tissue paper. Let's open this up. It's, wow, I was not expecting it to be black. It's like black with gold sparkles. That actually smells really good. I don't know how well that's getting picked up on the camera, but yeah. Let's see what's next. All right. It is a captain badge for Hufflepuff. It's, yeah, just a little captain's pin. Looks like there's only a couple of things left, and I know what I'm saving for last because I can see it. Actually, I'm going to set this aside because I'm pretty sure I know exactly what that is. And the only thing that's left is the print, because you always get a print and then recipes. There are a couple of recipes in here. So let me just get these out. I like this print more than last time. This is for Fantastic Beasts. Last time it was like for Neville Longbottom, and it was a pretty cool one, but this one is much better. So as you can see, this is what the print looks like. I can't get the whole thing in the shot, but I'll show you what I can. Okay, so now I am on to the recipes. Ooh, that looks really good. This one is for Molly's roast chicken dinner. Oh man. And we have acid pops. Awesome. I may make these for like a Harry Potter party at some point. That would be pretty cool. And the next recipe we have, oh, this one's a little bigger than the other ones. This is for House Scarf cupcakes. So I think basically they're just regular cupcakes with the colors of the Hogwarts houses. So that's pretty easy. Oh wait, no, they actually, okay, cool. I couldn't really tell on the front picture, but they actually have like scarves wrapped around them. So I'll get a shot of that. So you can see the Hufflepuff scarf right here. So that's neat, and it looks tasty. And now for the last thing, and I know for a fact that this has to be a wand, and I'm really excited. The whole reason that I wanted to go with Geek Gear is because I'd heard that they had done wands in the past, and I have been like wanting to get a wand in the subscription box. This is the second Geek Gear box that I've gotten so far, and it has a wand. It has this awesome owl post stamp on it, and then it also has another sticker that says magic item handle with care. So I'm just gonna open this up and see what wand is in here. I hope it's not Harry's because I already have Harry's wand. So let's see. Whoa, this is a very cool wand, but I'm not sure whose it is. I have seen this wand. I just can't think of whose wand this is. I'm gonna have to look and find out whose it is. All right, so I'm very happy with everything in here. I love the t-shirt, I love the canvas bag, and the wand is just, you know, icing on the cake for me. Even though I'm not quite sure whose wand it is, and I know I've seen it, but I can't think of whose wand it is. However, it is a very cool wand, and you can't have too many wands. Maybe you can. Anyways, I'm gonna take a look and see the July box, what we have. So it doesn't actually say whose wand it is in here. So if you know whose wand this is, let me know in the comment section. So here's the explanation for everything in here. I do wish it would tell me whose wand that is, because that's gonna bug me now. And there is a next month's hint on here, and I'm very excited about this as well. So here's the hint. All right, so that is it for the July Geek Gear Wizardry box. I will be back again in August to do another unboxing for their August box. Speaking of subscription boxes, I will also be opening Gobstone Alley's July box. In fact, I have an exclusive item in the Gobstone Alley July box. So anybody who is able to actually order the box, you can look forward to an exclusive item within that box for July. Anybody who didn't get the July box, don't worry, because Gobstone Alley and I are also collaborating on an item that's going in their September box. So I'll be unboxing the September box as well, and you can go ahead and order it. Use the discount code Muggle Magic, all caps, no space, for 10% off your Gobstone Alley purchase. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.